Hi Draw So Cuties, Wendy here. Because of all your requests, it's finally time for me to draw another Draw So Cute fangirl inspired by you. I'm so grateful that you loved the first fangirl that I drew, and so it's been a while, and so I know it's definitely time for me to draw another one. So to enter this giveaway to be drawn as the next Draw So Cute girl, I've just written it down here on my clipboard here, and comment below. Just give me your name, first name only, your hair color and the style of the hair, your eye color, your skin color, and of course your outfit. So as you know, all my Draw So Cute girls kind of look the same because it's always the same eyes and smile. So basically the hair color and the outfit is going to make it stand out. So pick an outfit that will kind of catch my eye. You know what I mean? Keep it short but detailed if that helps. So I'm really looking forward to reading your comments. And so what I'm going to do differently this time is I'm going to pick 3 of them, but the other 2 I'm going to leave up to you cuties. So if you see an entry in the comments below that you really love, give it a like. And I'm going to go through all the comments and I'm going to pick the top 2 that has the most likes, and that one will be added to my 3 that I picked, and I will post that on my community page for you to vote on. And the winner will be drawn as the next Draw So Cute girl. So I really hope you look forward to this, and sorry it took so long because I know a lot of you really wanted me to do this for a long time. Thanks so much for watching cuties, and make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll know when I post on my community page. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye bye.